everybody, it's Kelly, and I am back with another layout today. So today, I'm going to use some school theme paper to scrap a letter, and I'm going to start out mounting that photograph on that aqua composition paper that is from Echo Park. I love school. Sorry, I couldn't read my own writing. I love school, and it's the alphabet paper. And then I'm going to mount that over a piece of that alphabet paper. And at first I had it kind of more of a square, and I decided to make it into like a longer rectangle so that you could really see the letters. They're in a typewriter font. So I thought that was kind of important because it's a letter. Even though it's a handwritten letter, it kind of gets that sort of idea to you, and that is the Jen Hadfield My Bright Life paper. It's the 12 by 12 pad from that. I'm mounting all of this on that blue star paper from Echo Park I Love School. It's the apples paper, and then I'm going to back that all for some color with that plaid, which is Echo Park I Love School Star Student. So now I'm just adding some pieces in here, trying to sort of get an idea of what kinds of things I could use. These embellishment packs often have a lot of words on them from Echo Park, and I kind of wish they'd use a few more motifs, but I guess it's okay in the end. So I'm going to add in the die cuts first of all, which are from the I Love School Frames and Tags collection. And then, so that's like that A is for awesome. I know I want a big cluster next to my letter there because there's a lot of space to take up, and I know that I want to also add in some places to journal. So I'm going through my cut aparts from Ellie's studio. So that's where the red one is coming from. Just it's pieces that I've had cut apart, and then I like the idea of getting some yellow in here because that's in the background. And as I'm doing that, I decide, okay, this is about as big as this cluster is going to get. I need to take up some more of that composition paper, so I move that A is for awesome down to the top right corner of the composition paper, and then I'm going to add that think, believe, dream, and achieve to the top left there. And then I have the chipboard globe is the one at the top. I'm using a sticker globe from the I Love School sticker book, which is sitting right there to my left there. Actually, I think I have the chipboard globe on there now. I'm going to change that. Sorry for spoiling that, but that's what it is. That yellow sticker is coming from the Ellie Studio label stickers, and I pulled a green one from that as well. I'm kind of liking the idea of echoing the circle with the globe, but it's just not working I don't know, it's not working well for me. Kind of playing around with color. How do I have that? I don't want the two stickers together when I look at this way. The two circle stickers. So I'm continuing. The green piece there, I changed that out for a bigger one, is now a label sticker as well. That circle is just throwing me. I do store my cut apart Ellie Studio labels because I'll buy printables, or I have a bunch of printables and I'll print them every so often, and I store them in those photo cases. All right, so I finally got that cluster figured out, and now I'm kind of deciding the paper placement now as well because I didn't have things glued down. That happens. Adding some glue to my chipboard, and there we go. Now I'm going to actually glue this down because I like the way that's going to sit. And I'm thinking I want to call this Dear Mr. President because that is the it's kind of like that's how he started his letter. This is M1. here wrote this. So I'm using this green chipboard alpha from Bella Boulevard. It's the Chow Chip Amore Alpha in Guacamole, but I'm not going to be able to get President A out of this the alpha plus it just would be too long. So I'm going to these LE Studio cardstock alphabet in black here. And I like that because, you know, President stands out. It's also pulling in the black from that kind of blackboard element there. I did not tell you I have that pencil on there, the puffy pencil. That came from LE Studio So Awesome puffy stickers, which are from 2017, so you can't get them anymore. But I like how that brings the blue up. Both that and the A is for awesome, just like you. Brings it out of the background into the top there. So now I'm kind of looking at, I like this little kind of notepad or paper with the pencil because he is writing the letter. I find that like that light bulb sticker, which came from that sticker book as well, just bringing a little bit more black into the layout. Just playing with a few more stickers here. Trying to see what I can use that would be appropriate. And I have switched out to that sticker, that globe is a sticker. Thought about the pencil case, didn't love that. Really, I kind of like this apple, like, you know, an apple for a good job. I decided to take that little notepad piece off of there. It felt like it was too much, but when I look on it on screen now, I probably could have left it. It would have been fine, but, you know, sometimes we see these things and don't like them. Kind of playing with bringing that black and red up there. Black goes back down there. I didn't like that. Feels like the apple's just hanging out in the middle of nothing. That's the problem I'm having. So I have another pencil there. I put that at the top. And then decided I didn't want to kind of create another cluster there, but I don't think I need to create a cluster there. I actually kind of like that. Might have to add that back on after I'm done with this. Kind of gave a finish to the top of that. So I find my puffy stickers, or not my puffy stickers here, my enamel dots from the I Love School collection. That's where these are coming from. So I'm just going to add 3 into each cluster. Okay, and I just found my puffy stickers and I added that sharpener. That is from the Echo Park I Love School puffy stickers. Just, I needed something up on top of that blue A is for awesome. All right, you guys, here's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I will be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.